Next, we're going to talk about transfer of motion. So when a marble gets from the top to the bottom, and how do we start it at the top again so we have lots of running time? Well, a big trick is going to be using your pulleys for this one. So you should have some bamboo skewers and some pulleys, and the circle goes right through, which is really nice. I'm just going to attach mine right in here and jam it through. You can, if you want to, add a little bit of glue at the edge. You don't have to glue it super hard, but that's just going to prevent the pulley from pulling out. And if you want, you can trim this as well. It's totally up to you. I'll take mine out. There we go. And now we're going to have a string over here, and you can attach whatever. I'm going to use one of the little cups. And when I put that here, you can kind of foresee what's about to happen. When this marble goes in, it hits the cup, and then this is going to transfer that motion from a load at the bottom and transfer it all the way up, and it's going to drag something up. Now, I'm going to do two different things with this that we can use for the next part. You're going to notice I actually put mine on the corner because that's also how I can wrap around and transfer motion on this side. So this is where things like seesaws and more levers come in really, really handy. So let's attach something to the bottom here that's going to rise up first. All right, so I've added just a little piece of cardboard. I made a triangle shape just because, and I positioned the cup underneath there. You may have to play with some weights. If they use something too heavy here, they're going to have to maybe add something in here just to weigh it down a little bit. The goal of this is to drop a marble here, this goes down, this rises up, and then it's going to knock something over. I typically use a seesaw or a lever. So if I just hold this here to show you, if I hold the popsicle stick right here, balanced, and then I drop the marble, you can see how that knocks it off. So that's going to activate this part and start motion up here. So you might have even something like this, where you have a marble in a little seesaw like this, and then you can use whatever you want. You could use another dowel, stick it right there, and balance it, and as it gets hit, it just simply tips over and drops the next marble to start whatever. And now when I take my marble, that might happen, so you're going to have to adjust. And there you go. So that's how you can make those inclined planes and make them really, really simple by just using cardboard or reinforcing everything with tabs.